At the International FAINDEF 2023 Defense Exhibition in Madrid, Spain, General Dynamics European Land Systems, Dell's Santa Barbara Sistemas debuted a new variant of the ASCOD Tracked Armored Vehicle, the Armored Recovery Vehicle, ARV. The ASCOD ARV showcased by Dell's at FAINDEF was designed for the Philippine Army. This vehicle is specifically designed for recovery missions, tasked with retrieving and towing damaged or immobilized tanks in combat zones. With its heavy-duty winches, cranes, and other essential equipment, the ASCOD ARV is poised to execute these operations with remarkable efficiency. In addition to recovery, ARV vehicles have a role in performing basic repairs on the battlefield. Although they aren't mobile workshops, they often carry essential tools and spare parts that can help in making quick fixes to damaged vehicles. This can allow the vehicles to return to action or move them to a more secure location where more comprehensive repairs can be carried out. Another important function is to provide maintenance support in the field when it's not practical or feasible to return the vehicles to a permanent facility. The overarching goal is to maintain the operational readiness of the unit and minimize downtime, enhancing the effectiveness of the tank unit as a whole. The formal presentation will take place at the Dell's SBS exhibition booth, Hall 10, D01, on May 17 at 4 p.m. The ASCOD light tank will be exhibited at the stand, the ASCOD ARV in the Static Exhibition Area C of Pavilion B, together with the Castor Engineering Combat Vehicle, VCZAP, of the Spanish Army. The innovation and flexibility of the multipurpose common platform concept that defines and characterizes the design of the ASCOD or Pizarro family of vehicles favors the constant evolution and integration of advanced and disruptive technologies and a quick and flexible adaptation to the requirements of each client, affirmed Juan Escrina, Managing Director of Dell's SBS and Vice President of Tracked Vehicles and Artillery of Dell's. In this sense, he added that the two new variants have been developed in record time, taking advantage of earlier lessons learned and the commitment to permanent innovation of Dell's SBS that reinforces Spain's position as a benchmark for this type of tracked combat vehicles. Escrina stressed that very few countries in the world have the national and autonomous capacity offered by Dell's SBS in the design, development, manufacturing, and integral maintenance of next-generation armored vehicles. ASCOD is an excellently protected platform, configurable for all kinds of specific tasks and missions, and operable within a capability network to efficiently manage force multipliers and mission systems in a multi-domain environment, he emphasized. More than 1,000 ASCOD vehicles are currently in service or under contract with the armed forces of 4 nations: Spain, Austria, the United Kingdom, and the Philippines. The ASCOD Armored Recovery Vehicle, ARV, is a modern solution for the maintenance, recovery, and repair of medium-weight combat vehicles. Its primary application is on contemporary battlefields, where it plays an essential role in keeping the combat unit operational. One of the distinct features of the ASCOD ARV is its stabilization system, which helps maintain the balance of the vehicle, especially when performing tasks like lifting or towing, contributing to its overall operational efficiency. Additionally, the ASCOD ARV is equipped with a crane and a winch. The crane serves a critical purpose in lifting damaged components of combat vehicles, while the winch allows the vehicle to tow disabled combat vehicles away from the front line or dangerous areas, ensuring the safety of the crew and equipment. Furthermore, it features a dozer blade. This helps in clearing obstacles or making hasty field fortifications, further adding to its versatility on the battlefield. It also has a potential application in helping to free stuck vehicles. The ASCOD ARV is designed to operate on a medium-weight platform with a maximum load classification, MLC, of 50. This implies that it is capable of performing recovery and repair operations for vehicles of similar or lighter weight, making it a flexible choice for diverse combat situations. The ARV variant of the ASCOD provides the same levels of mobility and protection across its platform variants. The vehicle has a crew of 3, including a driver, commander, and 1 mechanic. It is powered by MTU V8 600 kilowatts or Scania V8 810 kilowatts engine, coupled to an automatic rank transmission with integrated reversing and steering gear, 6-speed. The ASCOD uses a torsion bar and trailing arm-type suspension with 7 dual rubber-tired road wheels on either side, a drive sprocket at the front, an idler at the rear, and 3 track return rollers. The new generation ASCOD is designed with an integrated approach to protection. Its fundamental structure comprises an all-welded steel armor hull, providing a solid foundation of resistance. The ASCOD enhances its ballistic protection through a modular system, capable of reaching up to level 6 according to the STANAG 4569 standard. Furthermore, the ASCOD offers premier defense against mine and IED blasts. This includes a safeguarded floor structure designed to prevent injuries to the crew members' legs and protect against secondary internal projectiles.